Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a letter in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in the Drive files. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on choose template. Then we scroll down. And here we have the letters, the letter templates. We will just choose one that we like. Like this is going to load. And yeah, here we can just edit it by tapping on the pencil icon and write whatever we would like to have, but still using the template. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.